R2AHL repeater.
Well, hello! KD2REU here, on the road with KD2RAF. We are on our way to Palmyra, New York, for the 35th annual Drumlins HamFest. We're monitoring the talk-in channel and ready to spend a fun morning seeing friends, finding gear, and best of all, supporting some great people and a great radio club. This beautiful location is surrounded by picturesque glacial topography that features over 10,000 narrow hills called Drumlins that were created by ancient glaciers in the plain between Lake Ontario and the Finger Lakes, the largest field of drumlins in the entire world. Hop in and let's check out the HamFest together.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto New York 31 East.
KD2NCI, N2MKT. How's it going, Tom? Doing fine, Jeff. Doing fine. How you doing? I haven't seen you for a while. Oh, yeah, we've been busy. I just got out of work and heading over to the HamFest there.
You've arrived.
So yeah, people are starting to come in.
For 5 miles.
That's good. It looks like it might be a nice day once it starts warming up here, so hopefully everybody has a good time. Find some good deals. And 2MKT Mobile. Yeah, hope so. People are anxious to be out here, so we'll look forward to it. Alright, we'll see you when you get here. Safe travels. N2MKT, KB2NCI at the HamFest.
Well, good morning, people.
You don't have to actually be here for. We'll get them to you. The other prizes, however, you must be here. And we'll start doing one of these here in maybe about 9:30. We have an Elfie world's smallest foldable drone. We have a toolkit up here with soldering iron and all kinds of utensils and screwdrivers and everything. A nice kit. A $50 ARRL gift certificate. A $25 ARL gift certificate, and we have a bunch of Craig Buck K41A 2224 versions, text versions here of textbooks for the tech and general license, extra license, or a book on Pepper Communications, how to chase DX, and how to get on HF. Those are our prizes for this year. We do have one announcement. May 14th, 10 a.m. at the Orleans County Emergency Center. We're going to have a ham license testing for obviously tech and general and extra. That's going to be at the Orleans County Emergency Center, 10 o'clock on May 14th. If you want any more information on that, come up to the table and we can give you the gentleman the call here for it. Have a good time. Have some nice eyeball QSOs and have a good time talking to everybody.
But, I mean, that's minor. That's the only thing I see with it.
You know, if you take it home, you won't have to take a picture of it.
That's a good point. Anyway, good luck with it.
Thanks.
Yep.
What are you asking for it?
Just telling me what it's worth. If I get $100, I'll run home with it. It's not much. It's a friend of mine's radio. Everybody's telling me it's so expensive. He says I'd be able to get $150, $175 for it. So what's this thing made of gold?
That's what that is, gold?
Not gold plated.
Yeah, the only thing that's really bad about this father, his dad, broke the engine. He put it together, and it's probably owns it.
Good morning.
How are you doing? I'm up and at 'em. Up and at 'em? Yeah. Just find Adam, I didn't have to get up. Let him do the work.
Check that here.
Oh, you didn't make a trip? Heavy. It's a little paddock. Had too many books in it. Let's see if it looks like I would yeah, hope you win. Then you can go buy a new toy, right? Okay, get those 50-50 tickets out. We got $91 here for the lucky winner. $91 for the lucky winner. We got to have a volunteer that'll help us here. We don't want to have a Drumlins member doing it. We want to make this honest. Got a volunteer? Anybody want to volunteer? Help get this. Okay, we got it. All right, here's the $91. Here's the ticket. The number is, all right, 764-9er. 764-9er.
I got it. The way his eyes were looking. The way you making sure.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see if they match. Oh, you're one number. No, you're all right, here you go. $91. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, we got the winner. Thank you for those. You're welcome. Thank you for those that help contribute to the 50-50, especially our winner.
Thank you, by the way.
Okay, we still got our lunch over here. Still got hot dogs. We still have scones. We still have coffee. We still have sodas. Chili as well. Chili's great. Fantastic. My favorite meal. I can have chili once a week, every week, without any problem. I don't care how hot or how cold it is outside. And Krista here does a wonderful job at it. Just enough nip, you're tasting it at the same time. There's no atomic chili. Just right. righty. Thank you very much. Everybody have a good trip home. Be safe and stay away from that COVID junk. And we'll hope to see you next year for the next HamFest. So the Drumlins Air Radio Club. Thank you. We appreciate your helping us out. Believe me, we do.